Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Guess what? We love making fun floral videos with valuable tips, so please subscribe and hit that alert bell to be notified when our latest video goes viral. As always, thanks to Greenleaf Wholesale. Do you guys know them? They're amazing and provide the best flowers. I'm just looking around. I love this hydrangea. Today, I am so excited. We're getting ready for a wedding this weekend. I can barely say it. And like all brides, they want peonies out of season. Of course they do, yeah. So we're gonna show you some alternatives today because there are some. Peonies are amazing, they're fluffy, and they only have a short season from May to July. They are the best and bride's favorite, mine too, because they're larger scale with tons of fluffy petals. So guess what? Here's the alternatives. Let's see. First up are ranunculus. Do you love them? Here's a whole vase of them in kind of a light blush color. You kind of have to put them all together and cluster them, but I call them little mini peonies, and these look great too for boutonnieres. So if you want to make a boutonniere, they look fabulous. So the other thing that's a peony substitute are garden roses. So you can kind of see this vase over here, but they smell fantastic. So that's another option. Another weird option, don't hate me, please don't hate me, is carnations. I know. So here's some white carnations. So what you do is you kind of really take your hand and manhandle these and spread them out and then cluster them together. So check that out. You know, that doesn't look bad. Like, look, it looks pretty good. And so now onto the fourth one. And again, I'm gonna say it, please don't hate me. Silk flowers. I know, weird. I know, this is a silk peony, and check it out. It's not that bad. And if you get high quality silk flowers, use them in small, tiny doses. So for this bridal bouquet, I'm gonna use 2. They look pretty good. So it's totally up to you, but I'm just saying, you know, if your bride has to have peonies, then you could do silk ones if they don't like the carnations, the ranunculus, or the garden rose option. This bride this weekend is having an elegant wedding, tons of white blush, with only 50 guests. So I'm gonna start making this bouquet because I can't help myself. So I am gonna use hydrangea because I'm gonna kind of start, and I'm gonna tuck these Playa Blancas and then this soft pink one. I actually didn't get the variety, but I will look it up for you. And I'm gonna start tucking in my ranunculus and the garden roses. Can you see how good that's looking already? And she just really likes kind of a big fluffy ball. Sometimes what you can do is you can actually kind of thread the rose through the hydrangea, and you kind of have to kind of give it a little bed, right? So I'm gonna keep building this, and I'm kind of so excited, and you can just see our flower shop is filled with flowers. I know. Even a small little wedding makes us feel so happy. And you can kind of see it's gaining shape, right? So, and sometimes what I do is I hold it up like that and kind of look down, and it looks so fantastic. I think it needs some more ranunculus. So I am going to kind of thread this guy down. Oh my God, fantastic. And most of my brides, I like to give them a little preview, text them a photo, and people get so excited. So you can kind of see that I have like a little river or line of blush. It looks fantastic, right? Okay, so here's the moment we've all been waiting for. So this is a bouquet with garden roses, Playa Blanca, hydrangea, ranunculus, and no peonies. Okay, what do you think? So let's, option number 1, then option number 2. We're gonna stick this little beauty in here. And he is a little bit different of a color. So he is more on the white, but I'm gonna pull this little rose up. Okay, silk peonies. What do you think? No peonies or yes on the silks? It's up to you, so please comment below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll be featuring more highlights from this wedding because, hey, we're so excited and so thrilled we have one. Please check out our website for more lavish weddings and small ones. Please subscribe, please like, and can you please tell me what I should do? Should I do the silk ones? Okay, I love you, bye.